Today I'm going to teach you how to upload an image to Squarespace. Whether you're building a portfolio, updating your business site, or simply refreshing your content, knowing how to add images efficiently is essential for creating a visually appealing website. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to squarespace.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log into your account. Enter your credentials and sign in. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can see all your websites and projects associated with your account. Once you're on your dashboard, you'll see a list of all the websites you manage. Simply click on the website where you want to upload your image. This action will open up the specific site's backend, giving you access to all the editing tools and features you need to customize your pages. Now on the left side of your screen, you'll notice a menu with several options. Click on Website and directly under it, click on Pages. This section is where you can manage all the individual pages that make up your site, from your home page to contact pages and everything in between. You'll now see a full list of all the pages you've created. Take a moment to choose the specific page where you want to upload your image. It could be your About page, a blog post, or any other section of your site that needs a visual update. After selecting the page, click on it and then click Edit. This opens the page editor where you can modify content and layout. Now place your cursor in the section where you want to upload the image. This positioning is important because it determines exactly where your image will appear on the page. Once your cursor is in place, click Add Block and select Image from the options that appear. Next, click on the image block you just created. You'll be presented with several options for uploading your image. You can choose Upload a file, select from library, browse stock images, or even upload from mobile. Each option offers flexibility depending on where your image is currently stored. For this tutorial, we'll choose Upload a file. This option allows you to pull an image directly from your computer. A file browser window will open, so navigate to the location where your image is saved, select it, and click to upload. Squarespace will process the image and place it in the block you created. Give it a moment to fully upload, especially if the file is large. You'll see the image appear in the block, and you can resize or reposition it as needed to fit your design perfectly. Once you're satisfied with how the image looks, click Save at the top of the page. This finalizes your changes and makes the image live on your website. And that's it, you've successfully uploaded an image to Squarespace, enhancing your site's visual appeal and keeping your content fresh. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.